Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show how to write and run a C or C++ program in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started by opening a new terminal or command prompt and ensure that you have installed these compilers gcc g++ and clang and also gdb compiler. Okay, if you are a Windows user, download MinGW software and install in your system. You will find a link in video description how to download and install MinGW in your Windows operating system. Okay, now open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl Shift X and search for C or C++. Then you will find an extension C or C++ developed by Microsoft. Then install this extension. After installed successfully, necessary components will be downloaded for supporting C or C++ program. So this will take some time to download and install. After successfully download and install, reload Visual Studio Code. Okay, now create a new directory in your system. Navigate to this directory. Now create a new file with .cpp or .c extension for C or C++ program. In Linux, you can create this file using touch command and name the file is hello.cpp or C. Okay, now open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Okay, now open the file and type this code, a simple code. To display a message. Okay, use cout function to display a message. I am running hello world program on VS Code in CPP. Okay, save this file. Now press Ctrl Shift B or directly click on terminal and then click on run build task. Then select the compiler for C++ program. Select clang build active file, and for C program select clang build active file. Okay, and this will compile hello.cpp program and will create an executable file. Now open a new terminal and navigate to this directory and type dot slash hello, hit enter, and you will see the message I am running hello world program on VS Code in CPP. If you are on Windows, just type hello.exe and then hit enter. You will see this message. Okay, now take an input from console. So declare a variable and use cin function to take input from console, and now cout the value of variable n, value of n, okay. Now save this file and build task and select the compiler. Okay, now open a new terminal run the executable file and enter input n, and you will see the value of n 4. Okay, if you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.